Just wanted to talk about something that you may see in the coming weeks as this lockdown continues. You're probably going to see state troopers on the highway 95, 476, 76, wherever you're traveling in Pennsylvania and in New Jersey, possibly as well. And these state troopers, you may believe, are looking for speeders, but I believe that they're more than likely looking for out-of-state drivers, specifically drivers from New York State and New York City. So the issue becomes, normally police need probable cause to stop a car, and that probable cause is normally a traffic violation. And I'm willing to bet that these officers are being posted to possibly try to stop people from New York State coming into Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Obviously, the focus is on New York City, and you can't tell that from the tag if it's a New York State tag, but I'm convinced that these vehicle stops aren't for speeding. And I've written a lot of articles on probable cause and reasonable suspicion with regards to vehicle stops. And it's a very important issue in drug cases, gun cases, and even DUI cases and DWI cases. So I want to talk a few minutes about that with regards to probable cause. Remember that during a traffic stop, initially, police have to have probable cause to stop your car. And what I just said was that they need usually a vehicle code violation or moving violation, like speeding, running a stop sign, or something wrong with the car, like a broken taillight. That allows them to constitutionally be able to stop the car. Once the stop occurs, whatever happens from there really could control ultimately what happens in your case. So if it's a normal traffic stop, for instance, police at that stop can look at the driver and determine possibly if they're impaired or if they see something in plain view, like a gun or drugs, they can seize that and arrest the person. If it's not in plain view, they have to have probable cause to believe that the car contains contraband. So in the situation that could be coming up for a lot of us is in this vehicle stop, if you are out of state and the police do stop your car simply because of the tags, it raises a possible constitutional issue because, right now, we've never had cases before where the officer says he stopped the car because of an out-of-state tag. We all know, whether you're a lawyer or not, that's not enough to stop a car. But in the event that these car stops are because of a tag and the officer during that stop sees something in the car or believes the driver's impaired or believes that there's contraband in the car like drugs or a gun, and remember, probable cause to search, they don't need a warrant, unlike a house or an apartment or a place of business. Warrantless searches of vehicles are constitutional in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and unlike a search of a house or a car, the expectation of privacy in a motor vehicle is much less. So if you're in a situation where you are one of these out-of-state drivers who are stopped, and if you are arrested following that stop because the officer finds contraband of some sort, or for instance, if you're a New York State resident and you have a gun and you enter New Jersey or Pennsylvania and you don't have a license to carry, you want to reach out to a criminal defense lawyer and really understand your rights. Again, never assume that the case isn't serious because the district attorney or the police officer tells you that you'll get probation or you'll get some program. You'll always want to speak to a qualified criminal defense lawyer. Like always, our law firm is here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even through the shutdown. For instance, this morning, I was in court in Delaware County, Pennsylvania, arguing a COVID motion for a client who's in custody. We're attempting to have him released because of the outbreak. We are waiting on the judge's decision. The court did take it under advisement. It's always a good thing whenever you argue a motion and the judge says that he's going to consider it. It's always a good place to be from a defense standpoint. So hopefully that motion will go our way. If you have questions regarding your rights, please call our office at 215-755-9000. You may also email me directly at alfonso@gambonelaw.com. Our website has been upgraded, obviously. because of the COVID, you now have the ability to text us, and it features all of our downloadable books and videos, and I encourage you to check those out. Like always, I hope you're all doing well during this shutdown, and I wish you and your family health and safety. I'll talk to you soon.